Hey, welcome back to my channel. I go by the Fashion Doll. In today's video, I'll be doing a balloon column for my daughter's 23rd birthday. I got the balloons in this balloon stand from Shein. You can find these items in my like to know. I'll have the link in the description box, and also this electric balloon pump I got from Amazon that will also be linked below in my description box. You can shop that in my Amazon storefront. So I'm just building the balloon stand right now. One thing I like about this balloon stand is you can add water at the bottom just to secure it, to give it more weight. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I got this. So you can pump 2 balloons at once. Make sure they're even. And once you got them even, I want you to tie them together. So basically, you're just going to repeat that same step until you get many balloons as you desire. So now you're going to take a set of 4 and twist them together, and then you're just going to overlap them around the balloon stand. This is a very simple and fun project to do for someone special, baby shower, whatever event. I think this is a really cool idea, and I love the way it turned out. So like I said earlier, just repeat everything. It's very simple, and then you should get this look. Okay, so this part right here, I took an extra balloon and I tied it around the balloon that was already pumped, so I can have that extra, string or whatnot, so I could tie it at the top of the balloon stand. I hope y'all got that. I hope that makes sense to y'all. So it was easier for me to have that extra string, as you can see. So I wrapped it up top and it came out like that. So this is the end results of my balloon column. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.